Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso experienced a first in his managerial career during his side's 2-1 defeat to Orlando Pirates at FNB Stadium on Sunday. The Betway Premiership clash saw the Buccaneers deliver an early shock, leaving the league leaders with a mountain to climb. Pirates, who entered the game trailing Sundowns by 18 points, capitalized on their 4 games in hand by narrowing the gap at the top. A win in each of their outstanding fixtures could cut the deficit to just 3 points, intensifying the title race. Sundowns were left reeling in the opening moments of the match, with Relebohile Mofokeng scoring twice in the space of just 1 minute. Within the first 5 minutes of play, the rapid double strike stunned the visitors and put them on the back foot early on. Reflecting on the game, Cardoso admitted he had never witnessed such a quick-fire concession in his coaching career and said, "I think it has never happened to me in my sports life to concede 2 goals in such a short period of time, but it can happen, unfortunately, and it happened today, probably the worst moment for it to happen." Despite the early setback, Sundowns pushed for a response and fought hard to turn the game around. While they managed to pull a goal back, it was not enough to salvage a result. He further said that you don't need to tell the players you are unhappy about what happened. They already know, and they were not happy either. No one is happy to concede 2 goals like that. However, the Portuguese coach refused to dwell on the loss, instead praising his players' resilience, and said, "I don't feel like a loser. I feel my team fought until the end." The boys reacted in a very difficult environment and context, and emotionally they were strong enough to keep themselves in the match until the last minute. With the title race heating up, Sundowns will be eager to bounce back quickly, but Pirates' resurgence has added an extra layer of intrigue to the battle for league supremacy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.